From raw power to precision engineering, from massive assemblies to unstoppable digging force, the Hitachi EX series excavator is a true giant of construction and mining. Welcome to Mighty Machines, where the world's toughest machines come alive. The Hitachi EX series excavator is more than a machine. It's an icon of heavy engineering built to dominate the toughest jobs on Earth. Towering in size, packed with power, and engineered with precision, it's trusted in mining pits, quarries, and mega construction sites worldwide. From moving mountains of earth to filling trucks in just a few scoops, the EX series shows what happens when raw strength meets advanced technology. But what truly sets it apart is balance. Power and precision working together. Every bolt, every joint, every system is designed to push performance higher and downtime lower. Its presence on a job site means faster progress, greater efficiency, and reliability under the harshest conditions. In this video, we'll take you from the birth of the machine, its assembly and construction, to its sheer raw power, pinpoint accuracy, unbeatable durability, and unmatched operator comfort. Building a machine of this scale is a process of precision. It begins with the massive undercarriage, where the rollers and tracks are fitted to carry hundreds of tons. Next, the powerful engine is mounted, the very heart of the EX series, designed for high output and efficiency. The operator cabin, reinforced, spacious, and packed with technology, is carefully placed, giving the driver both comfort and control. Then comes the strength, the boom and arm assembly. These massive steel structures are lifted and mounted, ready to handle extreme digging forces. Each component is painted and finished with corrosion-resistant coatings, ensuring durability in the harshest conditions. Piece by piece, the hydraulics, electronics, and attachments are installed until the final assembly stands ready, an excavator engineered to move mountains. The Hitachi EX series excavator isn't just big, it's a force of nature. In the mines, on construction sites, and in quarries, it proves its strength with every move. Watch as its massive boom and arm drive deep into the ground, carving through solid rock and shifting earth as if it were sand. With buckets capable of holding up to 48 cubic meters, a single scoop can fill smaller trucks instantly, while just a handful of scoops can load the largest dump trucks in the world. Every movement is driven by hydraulic power that delivers crushing force where it's needed most. The EX series doesn't hesitate. It rips through tough soil, shatters rock, and clears entire sections in record time. This raw muscle means projects finish faster, costs drop, and productivity soars. But raw power isn't just about moving material, it's about endurance. The EX series is built to run long shifts without slowing down, delivering consistent force hour after hour. Whether it's digging at full depth, lifting massive loads, or swinging tons of earth, it shows no sign of weakness. From mining pits to mega construction projects, the Hitachi EX series excavator is more than a machine. It's a powerhouse built to dominate. But this excavator isn't just about brute force, it's about control. The EX series is equipped with an upgraded oil cooler with variable fan speed for smarter efficiency. Its next-generation hydraulic circuits and electronic regulators ensure smooth, responsive movements. Safety is built in, with folding stairs and ground-level engine stop features. Inside, operators find advanced cabin systems designed for visibility and control. With greater digging power for extended operations and massive bucket capacity, the EX series balances strength with pinpoint accuracy on every job. Durability defines the Hitachi EX series excavator. Every inch of this machine is built from high-strength steel with reinforced joints and advanced corrosion protection that keep it working in the harshest conditions. Whether it's blazing heat, freezing cold, swirling dust, or crushing rock, the EX series doesn't back down. It's engineered for non-stop operation, year after year, delivering the same strength on its 1,000th job as it did on its first. At the heart of the Hitachi EX series excavator is the operator, and comfort is built into every detail. Ergonomically designed controls reduce fatigue, while high-visibility windows and cameras give operators a clear view of every move. With adjustable seating, intuitive displays, and smart safety features, the EX series ensures long shifts feel manageable, safe, and efficient. Because when the operator performs at their best, the machine performs at its best.
Part of the tasks in a construction job site is the seemingly endless digging to create trenches, holes, and foundations. This is the main role of an excavator, a large, diesel-powered construction machine. Welcome back to Mighty Machines. In today's video, we will be exploring 5 of the largest excavators in the world. First up, we have the Komatsu PC8000, which is known as the most powerful hydraulic excavator in Komatsu's product range, with an engine power of 4,020 kilowatt horsepower. It also has a superb digging ability, since its shovel capacity is 42 meters cubed, with a backhoe capacity of 42 meters cubed, totally on par with the power 240 to 400 US ton trucks. A new safety feature called the Calm Vision system was also integrated on this machine to increase operator awareness and reduce pit accidents. Innovators of the PC8000 also made sure to add a 45-degree stairway system so that the operator and the maintenance staff have comfortable and safe access to the machinery house level and cab level. Additionally, they also developed an intelligent data system called the ComTrax Plus upgrade that allows operators to monitor the Komatsu machine directly in the cabin, allowing proactive and preventive maintenance. Speaking of monitoring, the PC8000 also has a payload meter which identifies the bucket payload so the operator can load the truck more efficiently. In doing so, it reduces the truck loading time due to decreased required passes per truck and collects data for the mine manager to base their fleet planning on. When it comes to mining excavators, one of the largest of them is the Liebherr R9800, with a bucket capacity of 47.5 meters cubed and a shovel capacity of 42 meters cubed. This excavator's cutting edge is in combining flexibility and productivity to meet every possible need. This is done through opening the option to choose between Cummins and Liebherr as their preferred diesel engine partner. Rest assured that its engine rating is at a satisfactory 2,984 kilowatts. Tackling both productivity and flexibility, the R9800 can also be paired with T264, T274, or T284 mining trucks to create a highly productive machine designed for large-scale mining operations. It also has other cool features, such as its quick hitch hydraulics. This removes the need to use hammers and manual drive out in inserting the mounting pins for attachment. thus allowing the rapid change of buckets and attachments on the machine. Next, we have the largest excavator in the Hitachi product line, the Hitachi EX8000. This machine takes pride in its exceptional levels of productivity. Taking twin Cummins diesel engines as its power provider, the 40-meter cubed loading shovel or 43-meter cubed backhoe bucket can accomplish a large portion of the work in no time. It even has a computer-aided engine pump control to monitor the maximum operating efficiency of the machine. The Hitachi EX8000 also takes efficiency and productivity to another level, as it is designed to work 24/7 while maintaining its durable and reliable status. Several easy maintenance systems are also present for a safe operation of the excavator. Even though the design of the EX8006 incorporates a durable rigid box design and solid cast track frame, as well as robust lower rollers, track links, and drive tumblers, replacements are kept straightforward to minimize maintenance time, hence giving more time for the actual work on the site. The Terex Corporation is known as a global manufacturer of lifting and material processing products and services, and they also have a representative on the parade of largest excavators. This is the Terex RH400, the world's largest hydraulic excavator. This machine can dig as far as 62.34 feet in and has a maximum dump height of 47.58 feet in. Even so, it maintains a stable maximum travel speed of 1.37 miles per hour. This is made possible through its engine that has a recorded net power of 4,500 horsepower. Finally, we have the CAT 6090 FS. This enormous machine is known to give the widest payload range that promises easier serviceability and greater productivity. Its standard bucket has a capacity of 37 to 55 meters cubed and a total bucket payload of 103 tons. It is powered by two Cummins QSK60, enabling it to produce a net power of 4,500 horsepower. Since the top priority of this machine is safety, productivity, and serviceability, manufacturers have added in a few useful features. The CAT 6090 FS has a unique drive system that maintains a balanced combination of power and efficiency together with its new twin-engine concept, allowing it to stay up and running more consistently. If your concern is within its power, it is integrated with the trip power system that results in the machine's superb digging capability and bucket fill factors. Even when the energy used is maintained efficiently by the closed-loop swing circuit, it has a relatively faster boom lift motion compared to others. All of its innovations and developments are brought by the CAT MineStar system and technology solutions for greater safety and productivity on site. That's it for today's video on the 5 of the largest excavators in the world. Thank you for taking the time to watch Mighty Machines. Let us know what you thought of these innovations in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so you can be updated with our content. See you soon.